up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing we're gonna be doing yes.
Also, guys,
Dude,
subscribe to
seven.
my friend's channel. It's this, all right. And also
Wait, what are
my
we gonna?
channel. It's in the it's down, but
Okay,
I'm
guys.
still gonna show it.
Should we
It's
play
this.
ND? Should we play NDS?
Yeah, let's do part 3.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table fade.
And me.
Wasted 5 minutes already.
We wasted 5 minutes. We wasted 5 minutes. Wait, you're recording?
Yes. Why?
Oh my god.
I'm cropping it out. I'm not gonna put
Okay,
it
cropping
in.
it. Okay, good, good, good. They don't want them to waste their time.
Alright.
Dude,
The round starting.
look at this sexy guy.
Bro, is
Oh,
this new
racket.
map? I
No,
never mind. I'm
this is
dumb.
not a new map. Who
Bro,
is flinging me?
haha. Bro, if you get
The
flinged
turkey is
here.
flinging me.
What do you mean you're a turkey?
I'm a turkey. So no
Bro,
one can,
remember
no
that
one
one?
can.
Bro, this is my bear this is my bear era plus my guest like ano default avatar era. Cause
Yes,
yes.
but the turkey?
No,
Why
my
no?
avatar
Never
right
mind.
now currently.
I'm in my turkey era.
Bro, I remember the turkey era.
Yes, the turkey
Oh
era,
no.
bro.
Bro,
Oh my gosh, the
that was a
tornado!
bad bro.
Go on the edge of the map. You'll be safe.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's what I always do. But you gotta like
gotta go
yeah,
on,
like
like
right
in the
here.
edge.
No, just follow the tornado. Like at the back of it. Like in the edge. Oh, never mind. That was a bad idea.
Oh god.
That was a bad
Oh
idea.
god.
I forgot.
Oh my god. The turkey will still survive. Oh god! Dude. Oh
You're
my god,
gonna
I died.
become bald.
I just died.
You're gonna become bald there because yes.
Guys,
Like
okay.
I remember like going there and then I become bald with like one leg and then I survived with one health.
AFK.
Okay, that's the worst time to be AFK, but okay. Alright, guys, so we're gonna skip this part, guys. I'm gonna put like a timer up there. Let's see how much. Oh crap. How much minutes, seconds, milliseconds, 2 seconds. Oh, let's go. Let's go easy. That's too easy. Alright, guys. Bro did not survive. Bro did not survive. Alright, we're just gonna wait here. Alright, I don't know if you're gonna crop this out or not. I think that was one round. Yeah, that's one round. One. Yes, just don't forget. Oh, this might be cause of fire. Bro, what the? They bro died already. Alright, guys. So um, I might just add something. Add add image image file. Hold on, guys. Should I add? Yeah, this webcam. Wait, what's the disaster, guys? Guys, I have webcam now. I just need text. Oh, it's lava. Alright, guys. 7 minutes. Yeah. It's been 12 minutes. This is gonna be megabyte. Hold on. Gigabyte. Uh, oh, there's still more. Alright, guys. So, bro, still AFK.
Oh. Ha? Kaartik man ni madali.
Alright, guys. I'm getting bored. Getting bored. Two. No, two. Two rounds. Alright, guys. So, bro, come on, man. I already did, bro. You ain't gonna need an edge. What? No, not banana. Alright, guys. Just bored. I'm just bored. I'm just bored. Finally, bro survived. I'm bored. Still midnight. I'm so bored. What is bro even doing? Uh, 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 oh no, this was a bad idea. Uh, I'm gonna die. Uh, yeah, let's go. Restart. 4. Alright. That's not even January 7th yet. Oh, it's not even school time yet for my school. Anyways, it's 1:25. Alright, we're in this classroom.
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back.
Finally, bro. You like it's been 3
Okay,
rounds
guys.
when you were AFK. Who's back?
Okay, guys. Well, we're in the
Survive.
school.
You
St.
survive.
Edmund Computer
You
Center.
no, bro. Yes, nasuskus ka better
Oh
because
my god, is that a third? Oh, it's
no, it's
an
no. It's the new. It's the new like ano disaster. Wait,
Let me out of here.
what do I have
Be
to
out
do?
of here. It's
Mm,
volcano, but
it's
no.
like a snow blizzard. It's like
It's a volcano, but a snow.
yes, bro. What did you do
Yep,
if
I
there was
killed
not no
myself.
Philippines? What did you do?
Uh, I wouldn't be looking like me.
Why?
We wouldn't be looking. We wouldn't have cultural thing. We don't. We wouldn't have us yada yada yada. Blah 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 blah.
I mean yes, that was useless. How
Makes
many
sense?
rounds has it been?
Yeah.
5. I update the I update.
I'm
Na, na,
drinking
na,
Coke
na,
right now.
na, 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 na. Wait, let me change my avatar to Angie Penguin. Na, 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 na. Rainbow Ride again. Na, na,
I'm
na,
gonna
na,
get you.
na,
Wait,
na,
come here.
na.
Wait, let's go. Let's go together. Let's go together
Wait,
like a couple.
no, no, I don't want to.
I'm gonna
What?
kill you, man. I'm gonna
Update.
kill you.
Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Come
That
on.
was
You know what? I'm going
200.
myself.
That was 200. Bro, the bear, like the bears, and the penguin cost 200. I could sell it.
Very Sigma.
I don't like
Come here.
that
Come here in the
color.
purple.
I'm waiting for
Okay, fine.
green. Oh,
Let's just
frick.
do pink. Let's just do
Okay,
pink.
I care. Rogue, faster. Faster. Finally.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so romantic, you know?
Bro, bro. Bro, it was a bad idea. That was a bad idea.
Oh, that was a bad idea, guys.
Alright, we're back. I'm now a penguin.
Oh my god. I'm a turkey. We're the animal gang.
Bro, this is
We're
I
the
am
animal gang.
the cousin of the cat. The egg cat. Where is the egg cat?
I'm the uncle of the I'm the uncle of the cat. No.
What do you mean?
The
Nah,
cat's
bro.
surviving right now.
Nah, bro, you're
I'm the
you're
I'm
the
the
you're the uncle
I'm
of
the uncle. I'm the
no,
uncle.
you're the cousin of
Yo,
chicken.
yippee!
You're the cousin of killer
Yippee!
chicken. What? Who the F
It's
is
a
that?
killer chicken. He hit me.
Who the
He
heck?
hit
Who
me.
the heck
Oh my
is
god.
Shelly? Is that
They
like
kill
a
you.
friend,
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. Bian.
bro?
Oh frick.
Whale,
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm
bro. Who is
gonna kill you.
Shelly?
I don't know. Wait.
Is that
Oh,
your
never
like?
mind. Oh, that is my friend.
Oh,
Wait, let me join. Wait, okay.
bro's gonna AFK again. Oh yeah, I forgot to 6. I think it's 6. I might edit out. Anyways, I'm I alright. Hold on, let me take a screenshot. What is safety second? Oh, this is alright, guys. So alright, guys. So what? What was that? Is this alright? Guys, I might pee. Hold on, guys. Pee break. Alright, guys, I'm back. Wait, is he back?
Guys, I'm back now.
Alright.
I leave so hard.
Pokey break.
Oh my god, guys.
I needed that.
He survived?
I
Real?
really needed that.
Okay, guys. I'm going to be striking up. Oh my god, guys. This
What
is the
part?
best. Wait. Oh wait, this is the best part. This is best. The best. This is the best spot. This is the best spot.
Brother, I am Kiso. Never mind. Too late. 7.
Okay, guys. We're so good at this game.
None. None. Wait, when did I even join Vitas GC? Oh wait, it's on the other count. 7-Eleven. Bro, you literally invited me in the greatest GC in 7-Eleven. The time 7-Eleven 2023.
Yes. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna piss in the fountain.
Oh no.
Oh, oh, oh,
COVID-19 season
oh,
season 2.
oh, oh my god, COVID-19. No, no, no,
I'm gonna do
COVID-19.
the I'm gonna do the same thing like earlier, guys. Says your
I'm
mistake.
gonna do the same. I'm gonna. This is COVID-19 simulator, guys. I might have gotten the cough, and now I'm gonna go after you, Nathan.
Nah,
Look
bro, you
behind
don't
you.
know where I
Look
am.
behind you, Nathan. He said, I look behind you. Look behind you, Nathan. Wait. If you
Where?
move, you're gay.
I don't care. I have the
If you
golden
move,
dog.
you're like Victor.
Yeah,
You
and
move.
Victor's not gay. Oy, bo, I'll tell your moderator that you spread virus. I will juke you. I'll juke you. Haha. You have to say something in chat. You suck. It's taking forever. 28 minutes in, bro. Nice recording, but definitely not in video. Yes, too easy. Um,
Hey guys,
what?
penguin knife.
Bro, stop kissing me.
Freaky, I'm gonna cough on you.
I will kill you with my butter knife. I will kill you with my butter knife. Wait,
No,
where's the where's the whale? Whale left, bro. The whale left. Oh, never mind. He's still here.
the
And
wheel left.
also the cat. We're the trio,
The
bro. We're
cat's
the
here.
trio.
The trio is crazy.
All right. I'm K, so I will destroy. I will destroy this. All right. That was good editing. All right, bro. Not even, bro. No way. Yeah. All right, guys. Be driving.
Oh,
Ano
it's a
Roblox?
thunderstorm? Guys, I'm gonna stand in the open. I'm
Huh?
gonna stand in the open.
All
Look at
right.
me. I'm so
Bro, I
safe
don't
here.
even know how I'm in this vehicle.
Where are you?
Look at this. I'm literally outside, like the hitbox.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, wait. Guys. I'm in the open, guys. Strike me down, guys. Why do I have cement?
Why?
I have stones. I died. I'm a
Zeus. No, it
turkey.
was Zeus, bro. It was Zeus that struck you down. It was because it was because you had cement. I'm getting out. Never mind, I'm staying. I'm going to another. How many rounds has it been? Oh, bro, two more rounds. Two more rounds. Bro, we need the house. We need the house because
We need the house. Guys, it's that boy.
bro, literally the recording is past 30 minutes. Bro, why am I still here? Oh, never mind. Bro, we need we need the house.
Is this Twin Towers? Oh, never mind. It's
Bro,
one tower.
the trio. Print screen that. We got the trio.
We got the trio.
It's me, Kozini, and Person.
Look outside.
Why? Jump off.
Going to do it.
It's for content.
Gonna do it.
It's for
I'm going to do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay.
It's for content. Do it. Do it.
I'm gonna do it.
It's for content.
Let me go back.
No. It was a bad idea. Bro, get out of
Guys,
there.
wait.
Get out of there.
No, go to the highest
Bro, I'm with the
point.
trio. I'm with the trio.
Point.
I'm with the trio. I'm with the trio.
I'm going in back at the highest point.
Bro, that's
You
a
have
bad
to look
idea.
at my dead body flying. You have to look at my. You have to
Bro, I'm
record
with the
this.
trio right now. We're having a meeting.
You have to do that. You have to. You have to. You have to look at me. I against. You're gonna have to look at me. Die. Right? It could be get flinged. Okay. Where's the fire? I need to go down.
Bro,
Wait, this
that's
might be
such
a.
a
This
bad
might be a
idea.
bad idea.
We're having a meeting, bro. We're having a meeting with the trio.
Oh my god, the trio.
But,
Bro, I should get the Robux, bro.
bro, me too. I'm gonna get 1,000. Because I have money from Chinese New Year.
Yes. I wish I could use my money to get Robux, bro.
Me too.
My mom probably wouldn't allow.
Me too. Bro, I wish I had the bank account. I mean, you could use your
I
bank
have a
account.
bank.
Yeah, you could use
Yeah,
your
I already
bank.
have a bank account.
Use like 1,000.
Yes.
Use 1,000.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes.
Bro,
I'm gonna ask my mom, bro.
it's been 9 rounds.
Dude, I literally just realized. Okay, this is the finale, so we're gonna,
Yeah,
we have to
please,
please
we
be
need
the
the
house.
house. We need the house.
We
It
need
was
the
like the
Manic
first one.
Mansion.
I think it was the first one in like the part 2 of the NTS. Bro, we need the
No, it's not the
house.
first one. That wasn't the first one.
Bro, we
It was
need
the
the house.
thumbnail. No, whatever. This is safety second.
Bro, they keep
Okay,
repeating it.
okay, guys.
They
Okay,
didn't
guys.
have the house. Bro, we've been
Guys,
here
we're gonna.
I've been here 3 times already.
I died, bro. I already died.
Skill is showing. Let me
No.
in.
Yeah. One of
Let me in.
one of the trios died. One of the trio died.
Oh, it was the cat.
The cat. The cat died.
Bro, let me in. Finally. Bro, somebody drive.
Dude.
When are
Imagine
you
if you
gonna
do
drive?
NDS Port 4.
Yeah, when
Imagine
are you
if you do
gonna do that?
NDS Port 4.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table fade.